Carrots are a popular natural remedy for brightening skin and improving skin tone because they are high in beta-carotene, which can be converted into vitamin A, an essential nutrient for healthy skin. Here's how you can use carrots to lighten skin. Carrot juice. Peel some carrots and cut them into small pieces. Blend them into a smooth paste. If needed, you can add a little water to get a juice-like consistency. Apply this carrot juice on your face using a cotton ball or your fingers. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Wash it off with lukewarm water. Repeat this process 2 to 3 times a week for several weeks to see a difference in your skin tone. Carrot face mask. Grind the carrot and mix it with honey or curd to make a paste. Apply this paste evenly on your face. Let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes. Wash it off with lukewarm water. This mask can be used once or twice a week to brighten your complexion. Carrot and lemon mask. Make a paste by mixing grated carrot with freshly squeezed lemon juice. Apply this mixture on your face, avoiding the eye area. Let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes. Wash it off with cold water. Lemon has natural bleaching properties that can enhance the skin whitening effect. Carrot and turmeric mask. Blend the grated carrot with a pinch of turmeric powder and some honey. Apply this mixture on your face and leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Wash it off with lukewarm water. Turmeric has skin lightening properties and can complement the effects of carrots. Carrot scrub. Grate a carrot and add some oatmeal or brown sugar to it. Gently massage this scrub on your face in a circular motion. Wash it off with water. Exfoliating with this scrub can help remove dead skin cells, revealing a radiant complexion. Remember to do a patch test before applying any of these carrot-based remedies to your face to make sure you're not allergic. Additionally, be patient, as natural remedies take time to show noticeable results. With continued use for several weeks, skin tone can become more radiant and even. Also, always protect your skin from excessive sun exposure and use sunscreen to prevent your skin from darkening further.